How to archive and unarchive photos in Google Photos on your Android phone. Here's how. Open the Google Photos app. Touch and hold the photo you want to archive. If you want to archive multiple photos, keep selecting the other photos you want to move. At the bottom of the screen, swipe through the available options until you find Move to Archive, then tap on it. Next, tap Done, and the selected photos will be moved to your archive successfully. If you want to view your archived photos, tap Collections at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Archive, where you'll find all of your archived photos in one place. If you want to unarchive a photo, touch and hold the photo to select it. Next, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Then tap Unarchive, and the photo will be moved back to your main Google Photos library. That's it! You've successfully archived and unarchived photos in Google Photos on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.